Jealous? What he mean, jealous? You know what I'm saying? He just mad cause he always with ugly hoes, you know what I'm saying? Girls ain't buying him no clothes, he bought that hoe some clothes. He ain't never bought me no clothes, and nigga ain't got no money, no ride, no dick. I mean, what I got to be jealous for? He ain't gonna make it nowhere, he ain't got no type of time, he has no career move,
I come home every single day from working double shifts and stop along the way to pick you up a couple gifts. I come inside of you, pretend you miss me when you kiss me. Then you diss me and we strenuously fight continuously. Again you frisk me for numbers trying to bust me. It must be only just because you never learned to trust me. Bless me, only squabble over irrelevant issues. Too many tissues for my feelings you misuse. I buy you jewelry, you make a fool of me. I bring you diamond rings, you say I'm bad at timing things. So what's a man to do when all I hand to you is handed back to me? You act to be this gangster bitch, it ain't what first attracted me. I used to love your company, now you're always pumping me for information, and you tell your friends you plan on dumping me. So I'ma wait for your evacuation, cause every accusation makes me wanna smack your face. And see, I never been so sure, and you're just insecure. So my solution to your jealousy was insecure. I recommend you take your things and check them in. Look at the nervous wreck I'm in, I need my second wind. Say whoa.
Fuck you and what you going through. Fuck Eminem, he just mad cause I left a nigga for another man. To me, Eminem don't mean nothing but minus money, immature me. Nigga ain't got no dick, no swing in his thing. You know what I'm saying? He just mad cause I'm getting it on, now he jealous of me. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. Motherfucker just clocking this pussy.
I used to be a puppet and a sucker for your silent treatments. I used to be intoxicated with your sweet scents, until the day I started following your feet prints and tapping in your phone conversations through the heat vents. It made complete sense. There's someone else you like, so I confronted you and asked you who is Mike, and you was like,
I need a new nigga.
someone rich that I can follow, and you'll be over me by the time you see tomorrow, leaving me in sorrow. Brandy never felt so broken-hearted. I fell apart when you departed, then the joking started. I was an open target, you played comedian, and I became the laughing stock. But now I'm on my feet again, and so we meet again. You're acting like an ex-wife, all in my sex life. I got a message from Fife, it goes, you didn't want me then, so yo hun, don't want me now. Take the towel, wipe your brow, quit trying to hunt me down. You run me down, and now you're trying to apologize for all the lies, and every time you made me burn my eyes, because I got a bigger wallet size. You wanna swing it, jealousy is in the house, y'all.